In this video, I'll show you how to change the kit in FC26 Ultimate Team. All you have to do is launch Ultimate Team on FC26 and you should get to this page. And then from here, go to the club option by using the R1 or the L1 button. Go to club and select enter. And then from here, simply use the R1, L1 button and go to stadium and choose this option. Now within the stadium, simply select club and then scroll down and find the kit that you'd like to change. So if you want to change the home kit or the away kit, choose the option that you prefer. And then you should see a list of available kits. So as you select them, you should see how they look like on the preview. So find the kit that you'd like to change to. So if it's this one, select it and that will change the home kit. Then you can exit, and if you want to change the away kit as well, simply select away kit and choose the kit that you'd like to use for your away kit. So select that. Then once you select it, that will apply the changes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.